Taiwan just added this futuristic-looking homegrown weapon to its arsenal, one designed to counter the growing threat from small, cheap and potentially deadly drones, and to avoid a repeat of a humiliating episode with China. Welcome to Technality. Today we're exploring Taiwanese-made SKYNET ADS and the rise of counter-drone technology. From handheld futuristic-looking guns to giant net-shooting bazookas and even laser weapons systems, drone-killing technologies like these are becoming a fixture of the modern world, both on and off the battlefield, which is why Taiwan has integrated the SKYNET ADS into its armed forces. Designed and manufactured in Taiwan by a company called Drones Vision, this anti-drone system can block GPS signals and interfere with the video transmission of its target. With an operational range of up to 2 kilometers, the company says it can also force an intruding drone to land immediately or send it back to where it came from.